In 1700s, Benjamin Franklin was credited for discovering electricity with his kite experiment, as he and his son flew a kite during a thunderstorm with a metal key tied to it. Electricity therefore became one of the greatest discoveries, and that is right to say, as most appliances at our homes, offices, shops, etc. are totally dependent on it. Further unsung inventors like Nikola Tesla developed the alternating current power system and also pioneered the field of radio communication, which led to the invention of the internet in the 1970s and 80s. Many consider the internet to be the greatest invention of the 20th century. With the internet came the next biggest invention, the smartphone in 2007.
Find something wonderful for your hand. Just wonderful. This is what it looks like.
8 years later on, Tesla's autopilot car is introduced in 2015.
I want to start off by just explaining a bit about Tesla. Why did we create Tesla?
That is a clear hint as to what will be the next incredible invention. Actually, it's already here. The AI, or artificial intelligence. This concept isn't new, and the scientific world were talking about it since 1956 when Dartmouth College first coined the term. It was a conference held in the college to discuss the hypothesis. Every aspect of learning or any feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to stimulate it. The Dartmouth conference ran for 2 months. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon, who were attending the meetings, had steamy discussion by claiming the possibility of thinking machines. Since the popularity of science fiction and enthusiastic AI researchers were ever growing, one particular criticism of AI is its unshamed self-publicity, as T. Rozak reported in The New Scientist in 1986. AI's record of bare-faced public deception is unparalleled in annals of academic study. Nearly 50 years later, most computer scientists think that such a statement was a dubious one. Probably what Rozak meant was that machine can't relate and think as humans do. The program that is installed works on particular tasks only and can't actually make decisions based on emotion. Meanwhile, over the past century, there has been huge investment on AI research and development. Such research has resulted in computers capable of beating top chess players like former world chess champion Garry Kasparov on February 10, 1996. The match between man versus AI took around 3 hours to complete, as AI stood victorious. The IBM-built AI computer evaluated 200 million moves per second. The creation of humanoid robots like Junko Chihira, realistic android robot created by Toshiba, works full-time in the Tourist Information Center in the capital city of Japan. Since 2017, the robot has improved its speech recognition and response to tourist questions quite impressively. Airports around the world have installed computer systems that can sniff passengers' luggage for explosive. Defense and military are increasingly reliant to direct missile to targets with the aid of machine vision system. Industries such as automobile, FMCGs, healthcare, etc. are extensively using AI for its precision, accuracy, and timeliness. The smartphones that we are using today are running with on-device AI. That means the phone understands our preferences every time we feed it with new unknown data. It remembers and recognizes actions of the past and therefore further ease the use of the device. This happens with the help of inferencing neural networks. As for instance, it assists in taking better photos since it understands our usual approach and style of photography. Large quantities of information with quick software to adapt learning mechanism automatically from patterns in the information through machine learning, that is to learn with given data it is fed with. Machine learning helps build analytical model from neural networks, data, operations, research, and physics to bring about hidden insights in data. Neural network, just like our nervous system, is a type of machine learning that is made up of interconnected systems. Deep learning, which is a term important to know, uses substantial neural networks with many layers of processing units, therefore making great advances in computing power and improved training strategies to learn intricate patterns from large amount of data. The application of deep learning includes speech recognition and images. Cognitive computing is a subfield of AI that aims to imitate natural human-like interaction with machine. In summary, AI's objective is to offer software application that has potential to reason on input and clarify on output. Is AI any close to human-like intelligence, and what is Turing Test? Alan Turing, the British mathematician who cracked the Enigma code which saved millions of lives during World War II, was also a computer pioneer and one of the founding fathers of AI. He once proposed the Turing Test, a test to confirm whether a computer has human-like intelligence. In 1990, the test became an annual competition. The person to design a computer program that imitates the same traits as human reasoning was to be awarded $100,000 and a gold medal. There was never a winner, but there were participants who were awarded the bronze medal for their outstanding efforts. Here is an excerpt for a conversation between a judge and a computer. Tell me, Ella, if you buy one cow for $10, how much would 2 cows cost?
Consider asking me to tell you a joke. I know a few good ones, I think.
I don't want a joke now. I want to know how much 2 cows would cost.
It is a big problem that you don't want a joke now.
Go ahead, tell me a joke.
Should I tell you a joke about lawyers?
Why not?
Then, would you like to hear a joke about taxes?
I want to hear about lawyers.
Hold the thought and let me interpret and ask which year you were born.
The problem with Turing test was that the test only takes into account the linguistic behavior of the machine and ignoring how the machine operates. John Hoagland wrote, "The fundamental goal of this research is not merely to mimic intelligence or produce some clever fake. Not at all. AI wants only the genuine article machine with minds, in the full and literal sense." ChatGPT, the new AI that can think and interact like humans. That's what some of the users are claiming. Personally, I think it's quite impressive, but without human touch. What are your thoughts? Please write on the comment section. On the popular side, the arrival of ChatGPT has taken the social media by storm. The chat box designed by the startup OpenAI, an artificial intelligence company founded on December 10, 2015. Interestingly, Elon Musk is one of the founders, though he is not part of the team as of recent report. It seems that ChatGPT has far leaped beyond normal customer service chat box that's available online. Some believe that such a progress of breaking the boring human interaction barrier to a human-like conversation between humans and machine can encroach on workplaces and destroy artistic value. And of course, the usual sci-fi fear that AI will eventually take over the world. Is AI the terminator of creative expression?